ብዙ ኢትዮጵያውያን አሜሪካ ውስጥ የሚሸወዱት በምን እንደሆነ ታውቃላችሁ? ስራ የሚሰሩት ለኢንጆይመንት ይመስላቸዋል። ስራችሁ እዚህ ሀገር አንድና አንድ ነገር ነው ማድረግ ያለበት። እሱም ምን እንደሆነ ታውቃላችሁ? I'll give you a second. Comment ላይ ንገሩኝ። The only thing your job needs to do in this country is pay you well. That's it. ስራችሁ is supposed to give you a livable income that you can save, you can use outside of living. Okay? ህይወትን enjoy እንድታደርጉ ሊጠቅማችሁ ይገባል. And that's why you have a job. It's not for enjoyment. The enjoyment comes after you have the job. ብዙ ሰዎች ግን ይሄንን ፓርት ራሱ ገና ይሄኛውን ደረጃ ላይ ሳይወጡ ዘለው ኢንጆይመንት ፓርቱ ላይ ለመድረስ ይፈልጋሉ። And that is wrong because basic needaachun meet kaladeraгаchu, you're always gonna be in survival mode. And trust me, I've been there. I've lived that. That's why I know it so well. I've lived in the lower tier where all I was doing was working, paying bills. And at that point, the only thing that I could think about is, oh my god, መቼ ነው ደህና ስራ ይዤ ከቢል ያለፈ ገንዘብ ሜክ ማረገው ብዬ ብቻና ብቻ ነው ሳስብ የነበረው። And I want you guys to think about that too. ያንን threshold cross ሳታደርጉ thinking about, oh yeah, I actually don't want to have a 9 to 5 remote ስራ ብቻ ነው የምፈልገው, oh የራሴን ቢዝነስ ነው የምጀምረው ብላችሁ ማሰብ is foolish to me, in my opinion, because እሱን ማይንድሴት ካልወጣችሁ በስተቀር ስለ ኢንጆይመንት ማሰብ በጣም ነው የሚከብደው። because most of your time and your mental energy is preoccupied by your survival needs, and this is common for almost everyone in the world. So though wanting enjoyment out of your work is fine, but I want you guys to look at it this way. መጀመሪያ ኒዴን ሚት ላድርግና okay, ያንን threshold cross ላድርግና then I'll talk about enjoyment. I'll think about enjoyment. Or else you're going to be stuck because you don't have the mental energy and the mental power and the bandwidth to take action to get yourself to enjoy things, because that is very hard. That's another threshold to cross. Okay?